All right, Keith, are you getting bored yet?
Yeah, but maybe something next week.
Okay.
So it is pretty bad.
And warm
actually.
in the meantime still?
Yeah. Yeah, and actually some of my meteorologist friends, I was like, next Wednesday, they're like, this is sad. Like, you're 7 days out looking for something. Today was mild. Guys, we got to 46 in Portland, 52 in Sanford, 57 in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. Doing pretty good. 44 in Bangor, too, although they dealt with a little bit more shower activity than I anticipated. It's been off and on through a good part of the day. The front went through, but then some showers built on the back side of it. So that's caused a few more showers there in central northern Maine and down east than I anticipated would be the case. But to the west, nice, and temperatures rose quite a bit. So the story tonight is that it's going to be really mild for mid-February. I mean, we're literally dead center of February. Well, technically a little bit over, but you get the point. And we'll be in the mid-40s tonight along the coastline, middle of the night, upper 30s to around 40 inland and in through northern Maine. It gives us a good springboard in which to have a really mild day tomorrow. And I think especially the first half of the day is pretty sunny. So a really spring vibe here. Temperatures in the low 50s to mid 50s. Cooler in the high terrain here. But I even think some of the foothills and mountains out towards, say, Norway and Bethel will probably be in the mid 40s pretty easily. So we'll break records. If not, we'll challenge them at least tomorrow. Then a couple of showers come in tomorrow night. Now, here's what gets a little more interesting. Things have gotten a lot colder in the models on Friday. Not a huge deal, but it means that we'll see more snow over northern Maine and more sleet pellet activity going on here through Friday morning, perhaps all the way to the coast. Late Friday morning through about the middle of the day, we could see some sleet pinging in with that rain as we crush that warm air and get the colder air in here in time for Saturday morning. Saturday will be in the teens and single digits in a lot of spots, briefly cold, but then by Saturday afternoon, we're back to kind of a normal temperature in the mid-30s. So we could see 8-9 inches in northern Aroostook County of snow and then tapering off to very little. But again, I do want to point out there could be some sleet mixing in with the rain by Friday midday or so. Any storms to speak of? Well, I kind of already gave that away, right? But there's something that we're watching Wednesday night into Thursday of next week, and then maybe another one on Friday. Definitely the pattern wakes up a bit late next week. What that correlates exactly into is hard to say. And with all of that, we've got a colder piece of air working its way down too. It's really cold up towards Hudson Bay. Does it get down to us? I don't think it does in its true form, which is good because we did that once this year and nobody really enjoyed it that much. But it will make things colder for the end of February. It won't save it from being a way above average February, though. We can say that for sure. Nice weekend, by the way. Chilly start Saturday morning, fine though. Saturday afternoon looks good. And then a nice day on Sunday into the mid-40s. School vacation week next week. So I guess if we're going to have storms, not necessarily a terrible timing for that.
For commuting.
And a nice day for outdoor activities, especially Sunday.
Awesome. Thanks, Keith.